One of the most common questions I'm getting right now is how do you remove your gel nail polish when you're stuck at home on quarantine? And I'm going through the same thing. I also have a no chip mani that I desperately need to remove, so I figured I will show you an easy way to do that at home. Since Rex and Jasper are also home from school, they're gonna help and be my assistants. Here's what you need first. You need a washcloth. This is gonna help collect all the fallout from your polish. Next, you need a good nail polish remover. You want acetone. 100% acetone is ideal because it will allow you to soak for the least amount of time, but just use whatever you've got. So what's an example of what we can show them, Rex? Perfect. So here's the nail polish remover that I just happen to have in the house that I'm gonna use. You also want some aluminum foil, which I assume most people have in their house, and this is what you're gonna use to wrap. You also need some sort of cotton swab or cotton balls because that's going to help to absorb all of the nail polish remover. The next thing you need is a good coarse nail file, and this is really important for allowing the acetone to absorb into your nails. And you also are going to want some sort of tool that's going to help push off the polish after it's soaked off. So this I just grabbed from a manicure set I had. This is a cuticle pusher. You want to use the rounder side. Here you can use a chopstick at home, or you could use some sort of wooden tool like this. The one thing is, while it seems really appealing to want to peel off your gel manicure, you don't want to do that. That is going to damage your nails. That's why it's so important to remove it the correct way. That's everything you need to do it at home. Of course, there are gel polish remover kits that you can purchase online. They're really convenient. They come with everything you need, the foil, the cotton, the remover, so that makes it really easy. But if shipping is taking too long or you just need to get it off right now, here's how you do it. Let's go to step one. Step one is to buff the top layer of the polish so it's no longer shiny, and this is what's going to allow the acetone to absorb into the polish. Now it's time to apply the acetone. And because I'm doing this by myself and I'm not at the salon, I've prepared everything ahead of time. So I've got the foils ready and the cotton ready, and I'm gonna do one hand at a time just in case one of my kids needs me or something happens, because once your fingers are in foils, you are no longer able to use your hands for about 10 minutes or so. You want to apply the nail polish remover to your cotton swab, place it over your nail, and then take the foil and wrap it around. And you want to do this to every nail. I always like to remove one foil at a time just to see the progress, and then you can see how easily the polish is coming off. If it needs more time to soak, then you can put more polish remover on the cotton swab and let it soak for a few more minutes. I've completely removed my no chip manicure, and for the last step I always like to apply a nail conditioner. So I apply it to my nails and to my cuticles, and I like to rub it in. You want to do it, Rexy? Okay, Rex is gonna do it for me.